today we are going to program this indicator. Okay, so to program this indicator, press down and enter simultaneously. Okay, set is there. Now decimal point, enter. Okay, so you could see the decimal point. You should go to the right side. Okay, now enter. Now select now for downscale. Downscale should be 0. Okay, now already 0. Enter. Now we go for the upscale. Okay, okay, downscale. Now select, you go to upscale. Enter. So we will program this one to 2000. But actually, we will just multiply it by 10, so that is 20,000 RPM. Okay, so we will use this one to program to this turbine. So upscale should be 2000, make it 2000. Okay, then enter. Enter. Why not coming? Okay, now enter. So now we program this one. No, it should enter. Okay, now saving. Okay, now just wait for some time, then it will become normal. Then we already programmed to 0 to 2000 RPM. Okay, so this is how to program this indicator. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.